Well, hi students. Hoping that everybody's doing good. This is Mr. Reyes once again with Limitless English. So far today we have what it is the Worldlink intro, the Unit 1 in Worldlink intro. So when you get to Unit 1, normally this is the first page. That's what we have. I'm going to be reading and making sure that you get the instructions of the things that we got here. It says here, look at the photo, point to the picture, and say the sentences, then answer the questions. They are students, they are friends. Her name is Aja. What's your name? So we are supposed to look at this picture that we have here, and within the picture, we're supposed to ask those questions. All right, looking at that picture, they are students, they are friends. Her name is Aja. What's your name? Usually the idea is that you can start asking, what is your name? What is your name? My name is Mr. Reyes. Your name is, and whatever your name is. In the unit goals, we have here, introduce yourself. Describe and answer questions about yourself and other people. Talk about your favorite TV shows, sports, and music. Read and spell email addresses. So the idea of this unit is that you can complete these things, okay? Number one, that you can learn how to introduce yourself. Hi, my name is Mr. Reyes, and my name is Mr. Pedro. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Number two will be describe and answer questions about yourself and other people. I am a teacher, and then you could say I am a student. There you'd be describing things about you. Number three, talk about your favorite TV show, sports, and music. So here you're going to talk about what is your favorite TV show. My favorite TV show is, my favorite music is sang by, and then the artist maybe you want to say there. And read and spell email addresses. So what is your email address? My email address is mrreyes@yahoo.com. So that'll be mrres@yahoo.com. And those are part of the things that we are supposed to get within this unit. The first part, or we'll get to the first page in this unit, you're going to see this page, and there's going to be a video. When it comes to the video, there are some instructions. It says here, watch the video, repeat the sentences out loud. So you are supposed to watch the video and start repeating so you can get this pronunciation. All right, that'll be the A. Number B will be watch the video again. This time some sentences will be blank. Match the correct answers to complete the conversation. So here you have 6 things, and then you have to put which one goes with which. For example, one would be by, or what would be the first thing that they said, and then the second thing that they said, is it hello, is it hi student? You got to put this in order. So like that, after you watch the video, you can complete that part. And then C says, now say hi and bye to a partner. So if you don't have a partner right now, then you say hi and bye to you. You get in the mirror and you say, hi, how are you, Mr. Reyes? I'm fine. Well, bye-bye, Mr. Reyes. All right, so let's watch the video so you can get this part, and then we'll go to the next page with no problem.
Goodbye, Carlos.
Bye.
Carlos!
His name is Carlos. He's a student. Her name is Anna. She's a student. Hi.
Hello.
Bye. See you. Hi.
I'm home.
Carlos. Goodbye, Carlos.
Bye.
Carlos.
His name is Carlos. He's a student. Her name is Anna. She's a student.
Hi.
Hello.
Bye. See you. Hi, I'm home.
Carlos.
All right, so after watching the video, make sure that you complete the things that we got here. If you need to watch it again so you can do it good. On the next page, we have some ID cards. All right, these are ID cards, and it's very similar when you are in a school. And the second one will be the vocabulary. It says complete the ID cards, use the class list below. So looking in your book, just in case, you look at the last name, the first name, the student ID number, and with that information, then you are going to complete the things that we got here on the top. For example, you got here Yuko, and then you got to put her last name according to what we have on the bottom. You got here Mr. Cruz, that'll be his last name, and you got to look for Cruz over here. What is his name? His name is Alberto, the one that we got here. And try to complete this. You can use your notebook just in case, or you can use your book so you can complete it with no problem. All right. It says listen and check your answers in CD1 track 2. I'm going to play the listening and then we'll continue to the next page.
What's your name?
My first name is Yukiko. My last name is Akita.
What's your student ID number?
It's 488.
What's your name?
My first name is Alberto. My last name is Cruz.
What's your student ID number?
It's 307.
What's your name?
My first name is Carlos. My last name is Ramallo.
What's your student ID number?
It's 592.
What's your name?
My first name is Li Ling. My last name is Wang.
What's your student ID number?
It's 169.
All right. Make sure that you're practicing the numbers. All right. You got here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make sure that you're practicing and practice how to say these things in English. What's your first name? What's your last name? What's your ID number? And practice saying it to another student. In the listening, we have 3 things basically in the listening, or a couple of things. Answer the questions with a partner. How do you spell your name? So try to spell your name. My name or my last name is Reyes, Reyes, and you try your name. Do you have a nickname? That means another name or a short name. What is your email address? Some people's email address, they might be similar to their name. And reading email address, this is at This is .com, edu. All right, those are common types of email addresses. All right, it says listen for details. Listen, fill in the nicknames, then fill in Joshua's last name. So according to what you listen, you complete that part. I'm going to play the listening so you can do it. Try to complete it in your book or in the notebook.
Good morning, class. My name is Joshua Porter. I'm your teacher. My first name, Joshua, is spelled Joshua. But in this class, please call me Josh. Hi. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Yukiko, but people call me Yuki.
Yuki. How do you spell that?
Y-U-K-I.
Okay, got it. Hi. What's your name?
My name is Alberto, but please call me Beto.
Okay, Beto. And how do you spell your nickname?
It's B-E-T-O.
Thank you, Beto. Hello. What is your name, please?
I'm Liling Wang.
Hi, Liling. And what's your nickname?
It's Lily. L-I-L-Y.
Nice. Thank you.
Mr. Porter,
Yes, Lily.
how do you spell your last name?
It's Porter. It's spelled P-O-R-T-E-R.
Thanks.
All right, make sure that you complete it. And we'll go to the next exercise. There you have the ones that are there, the students. All right. And you have the teacher too, that it was Mr. Porter. It says, listen to the full conversation, complete the email addresses. All right, so now you have to listen and then you complete according to the email addresses that you listen. Whatever you hear in the email address, you write it down.
Good morning, class. My name is Joshua Porter. I'm your teacher. My first name, Joshua, is spelled J-O-S-H-U-A. But in this class, please call me Josh. Hi. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Yukiko, but people call me Yuki.
Yuki. How do you spell that?
Y-U-K-I.
Okay, got it. And Yuki, what's your email address?
It's Yukiko at easypost.com. That's Yukiko at easypost.com.
Thank you. Yuki. Hi. What's your name?
My name is Alberto, but please call me Beto.
Okay, Beto. And how do you spell your nickname?
It's B-E-T-O.
Thank you, Beto. Oh, and what is your email address?
It's Alberto at mylink.mx. It's spelled MYLINK.mx.
Okay, great. Hello. What is your name, please?
I'm Liling Wang.
Hi, Liling. And what's your nickname?
It's Lily. L-I-L-Y.
Nice. Thank you. And what's your email address?
It's Liling at sfu.edu.
sfu.edu. Great, thanks.
Mr. Porter,
Yes, Lily.
how do you spell your last name?
It's Porter. It's spelled Porter.
Thanks.
All right, make sure that if you could not complete it, that you listen again and you are able to write the email addresses that they are talking about over there or that you can listen to over there. All right, in the speaking, it's like a conversation when it comes in the speaking. The idea is that you can practice the speaking. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna play the audios that we have here. Make sure that you're reading it. We have here pronunciation, contractions with B. All right, the contractions are a small way of us to put this tab that we have on the part, and the pronunciation is a little different. When you said I am, the contraction will be I am. All right, that'll be the contraction of what is. And what's your name? It sounds different than what is, even though they mean exactly the same. So listen for the contractions.
Listen and repeat.
I am. I'm a student.
What is? What's? What's your name?
It is. It's. It's nice to meet you.
Make sure that if you need to listen again, you replay it and practice it.
1,
Hi, I'm Ken.
What's your last name, Ken?
It's Tanaka.
Great. And what is your student ID number?
It's 524.
2,
What is your name, please?
It's Maria Fuentes.
You are not on my class list. Your last name is Fuentes?
Yes, that's right.
All right, in this case, you are supposed to complete according to what you listen. If you listen the one with the contraction or the one without the contraction. I'll play it again just in case so you can complete that part. Whatever you listen, the contraction or not the contraction, then you circle.
1,
Hi, I'm Ken.
What's your last name, Ken?
It's Tanaka.
Great. And what is your student ID number?
It's 524.
2,
What is your name, please?
It's Maria Fuentes.
You are not on my class list. Your last name is Fuentes?
Yes, that's right.
Okay. Now we're going to check the next part, that is a little conversation. Pronunciation, contractions with B. Practice the dialogue in B with a partner. All right. If you have a partner, you can practice this with a partner. If not, you practice with you. Make sure that you pronounce it and that you can get this nice pronunciation. Listen.
Hi, my name's Liling. What's your name?
Hi, Liling. I'm Alberto, but please call me Beto. It's my nickname.
Okay, Beto. Nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too.
All right. Make sure that you're practicing. Hi, my name is Liling. What's your name? Hi, Liling. I am Alberto, but please call me Beto. It's my nickname. Okay, Beto. Nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you too. Continue practicing until you are able to do it good, and good. Now, in this part, we have the useful expressions, all right? It says use the useful expressions to meet 6 classmates. Write their names in the box. So you can do this either what's in WhatsApp or in a normal classroom, right? If you are next to your classmates and you meet them. The idea is that you can start practicing using the expressions that we have here. All right, you say, hi, what's your name? You say that to your classmate. Hi, my name is Liling, or my name is Mr. Reyes. In this case, I am Liling, or is Liling. My name is Mr. Porter. I am Alberto, but please call me Beto. It's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you too. You can use my name is or I am to introduce yourself. Like when you're talking to somebody that they don't know you, you can basically use I am, or you can say my name is to that person. Hi, introducing myself. Hi, my name is Mr. Reyes. Continue practicing. On the next part, we have the grammar, all right? The grammar part is one of the most important things, especially to structure good sentences. Now we're going to play the video about the grammar, and then Mr. Reyes is going to explain some things about the grammar.
Subject pronouns and possessive adjectives with be. I am a student. My name is Ella. He is a student. His name is Marco. She is a teacher. Her name is Ms. Brown. It is a book. Its title is Worldlink.
All right, according to this grammar, we have subject pronouns with the verb be. Subject pronouns, they are pronouns that they are used for subject. A subject is basically what we are talking about. In this case, I, you, he, and she. We got more that we're going to see in the next part of the unit. So I goes for the first person when I'm talking about me. You will be for the second person. I'm talking about you as a student. He is for a boy and she is for a girl. So if I'm talking about a girl, we say she is a student. And I use the verb be, is, in order to talk about that part. Now you can practice all these things so like that you can get better in that aspect. So subject pronoun. I am a teacher. You can say I am a student if you're talking about first person. Second person, you are a student. You are a boy. Now you can say he is a student if it's a boy, and she is a student if it's a girl. Should you pronounce contractions with the verb be? These are the contractions. You say for I am, the contraction is I am. For you are is your. He is his. She is she's. So only contractions. I am, you are, his, and she's. Make sure that you continue practicing. Possessive adjectives with the verb be. This is talking about possessions. So possessive are talking about things that they belong to a person, right? So if you're going to talk about the last name that is for you, or the last name that you have, then you say my last name is, and then my last name is Mr. Reyes, right? My last name is Mr. Reyes. And we have over here some things. We have your last name is Smith. His, if we're talking about a boy, his last name is Reyes, talking about me. Or her last name is, we say Matthew. Her last name is Corona, if you want to put, a different last name. So make sure that you're practicing. So the idea on the next part is that you can start practicing with other students. You can say, look at the picture and then play the memory game with your class. How far can you go? So let's see how many students you could remember. So you say here, my name is Rina, I am a student. So Rina is going to talk to him. So he is going to say your name, because it's talking about her. Your name is Rina, you are a student. My name is Lucas, I am a student. And the idea here is that you can talk about all the names that you remember. So your name is Rina, you are a student. Your name is Lucas, you are a student. My name is Jen, I am a student. Again, my name is Rina, I'm a student. Your name is Rina. You are a student. My name is Lucas. I am a student. Your name is Rina. You are a student. Your name is Lucas. You are the student. My name is Jen. I am a student. So try to continue practicing with more students to see how far you can go. It says here, play again. This time use the numbers and his, he, his, she, and her. My name is Rina. I am a student. My number is 8. Her name is Rina. She's a student. Her number is 8. My name is Lucas. I am a student. My name is 3. Her name is Rina. She's a student. Her number is 8. His name is Lucas. He is a student. His number is 3. My name is Jen. And continue practicing until you are able to do those things with no problem and with a good pronunciation. On the next part, we have the communication. It says here, look at the answers. Write the correct question. All right. So it says here, my name is Rihanna. So you got to find what is the question that I ask in order to get that answer. All right. What? And then you complete the question. Use your notebook just in case, or the book so you can complete this part. Number 2, my email address is avaldez@easypost.com. So what is the question that I have to ask for me to get this information? Complete the question. Number 3, my phone number is 399-555-7061. So what is the question that I have to ask? So like that, we can get that information. You put here in this spot the question. You can use your book or you can use your notebook, just in case. B, it says, imagine you are a new student. Imagine that you are new. Make up a new name, phone number, and email address. Complete the form. So here you have to complete with your personal information. The English clues on Media Board Australia, imagine. Now here you have to put your last name, here your first name, here your phone number, and here your email address. All right? And with those things that we have there, you are supposed to then practice. So with that information, you can ask the questions to the other classmates so you can complete this part. So get 4 more classmates and then you ask them the questions so you can get this information we have here. What is your last name? And you continue with the rest. So you can get the first name, the phone number, and the email address. 4 different students. And when you complete this part, then you put the information there, and that will be basically it for Unit